Good morning, children. This is the term book, page number 157. This is the first lesson of EVS about myself. Look at here, children. Here, paste a photograph of you as a baby in the first box. Okay, when you was a baby, that time your photograph you have to paste it here. Okay, you will paste here. Next one, here paste another photograph of yours taken recently. Okay, which photograph taken recently? Here you paste. You will paste. Okay, here when you was a baby, that time photograph you have to paste here. Here recently. Okay, recently photograph. Which photograph you taken recently? That photograph here you will paste. As we grow older, different parts of our body also grow. As we grow older, different parts also grow. Turn the page. Children, look at look at your friends in the class. Does everyone look the same? No. Some are short, some are long, some may have curly hair, some may have straight hair. Okay. Some are short, some are long, tall. Okay. Some are having straight hair, some are having curly hair, some are having soft hair. Okay. Now, parts of the body. PARTS parts, OF of THETA BODY body. Parts of the body. Look, children, our body has three main parts. Our body has three main parts. Okay. What are they? Head, trunk, and limbs. Our body has three main parts. There are head, trunk, and limbs. Head. This total part is called head. In this head are having hair, forehead, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, chin, and cheeks. Once again, in head, these all parts: hair, forehead, forehead, eyes, eyebrows, nose, mouth, ears, cheeks, and chin. These are all in part of head. Okay. Now, trunk. Trunk means chest, front, and back. Chest, front, and back. And shoulders, and stomach. Okay. Shoulders, chest, front, and back, and stomach. The head is attached to the trunk by the neck. What is this part? You know, children, what is this part? Neck. The head is attached to the trunk by the neck. Okay. Upper limbs. We have two limbs. One is upper limbs, one is lower limbs. Upper limbs means shoulder to fingertips. Shoulder to fingertips, we are called upper limbs. Lower limbs means hips, from hips to toes. From, from the hips to toes is called lower limbs. Upper limbs means shoulder to fingers. Lower limbs means from the hips to toes. We use we use we use our hands to touch and feel and hold the things. Hold the things. Lower limbs, we use our lower limbs, means legs, to walk and run and jump. Okay, children? What are the main parts of our body? Tell me, what are the main parts? Head, trunk, and limbs. Limbs. How many limbs? Upper limbs and lower limbs. Upper limbs means shoulders to fingers. Lower limbs means hips to toes. What are the parts having head? Hair, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, chin, cheeks, and ears. Tell me once again, what are the parts in head? Hair, eyebrows, forehead, eyes, nose, ears, cheeks, mouth, chin. Good. Now, what are the parts in trunk? Trunk means shoulders, chest, front and back, stomach. Okay. Which part is attached to head and trunk? Which part? Through the neck. The head is attached to the trunk by the which part? Neck. Wow, very good. Now children, did you clear? Did you clear children? Once again, HEAD head, UPPER upper LIMB upper limb, UPPER upper LIMB limb upper limb, TRUNK trunk, lower limb LOWER lower LIMB limb lower limb. Okay. Now we are going to read this one. Okay. All of you please repeat with me. Please repeat along with me. PARTS parts OF of THE BODY body. Parts of the body. Our body has three main parts. Our OUR, our BODY body, HAS as THREE 3 MAIN main PARTS parts. Our body has three main parts. HAD head, TRUNK trunk and limbs LIMBS limbs. Head, trunk and limbs. Head, HAD head. Children, what words you have to feel difficult? You feel difficult, that word you have to make underline. Please don't forget children, any lesson while reading, which word you feel difficult, that word you have to do underline. HEAD head, HAIR hair, HAIR hair. Forehead, FOREHEAD forehead. EYES eyes, NOSE nose, NOSE nose. EARS ears, EARS ears. MOUTH mouth, MOUTH mouth. CHEEKS cheeks, CHEEKS cheeks and and chin, CHIN chin. RARE present, PRESENT present in and around, AROUND around the head area. Head, forehead, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, cheeks and chin are present in and around the head area. Okay. Trunk, TRUNK trunk, chest in front and the back. The shoulders and the stomach, SHOULDERS shoulders, STOMACH stomach. Chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest. Chest in front, the back, the shoulders and the stomach from the trunk. The head is attached, A-T-T-A-C-H-E-D, attached, A-T-T-A-C-H-E-D, attached to the trunk by the neck. Once again, chest in front, the back, the shoulders and the stomach from the trunk. The head is attached to the trunk by the neck. Next, limbs, L-I-M-B-S, limbs, arms from the shoulder to the fingers. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. A-R-M-S, arms from the shoulder to the fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers from the upper limbs. U-P-P-E-R-L-I-M-B-S, limbs, upper limbs. We use our hands. We use our hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands. We use our hands to touch, T-O-U-C-H, touch, feel and hold things. We use our upper limbs, touch, feel and hold things. Legs, L-E-G-S, legs, from the hips to the toes, from the hips to the toes, from the lower limbs. FROM, from the HIPS, hips to the toes, TOS, toes. LEGS, legs, legs from the hips to the toes, legs from the hips to the toes. From FROM, from the lower limbs, LOWER, lower, LIMBS, limbs. From the lower limbs, we use our legs to walk, run and jump. We use our legs to walk, run and jump. We use our legs to walk and run and jump. Okay children, watch this video 3-4 times to learn parts of the body. Okay, whatever words you have underlined words, you have to write each one 3 times in your homework book. Okay, thank you.